Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. This is my episode 22. And if you want to join in, all you have to do is share your projects, and do hashtag #SatMornMakes. Okay, I'm going to show you what I used to make my projects this week, and I hope you like them. So I used this Spellbinders Holiday Layered Poinsettias. I used the small one. Then I used this Sizzix die called Funky Florals #3. And I used this right here, this pine needles. Next, I used this Creative Time dies, the Fun Size Scalloped Stitched Bow die. Hold on, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. My cat opened the door and my husband's still asleep. Next, I used this Karen Bernstein tag book pop-up, and I've had this in my stash for so long and I never used it, and I finally was like, you know what, I want to use it. So I used this, and it comes with all these dies right here. Then I used this My Creative Time die called Pretty Circle Layer Dies, and I just recently got this, and I got it to layer with this die called the Pretty Scallop Circle dies. Then I used, on one of the projects, this small snowman die from Impression Obsession. And then I used this Santa die from Impression Obsession. And I don't know if Anna White made these or not. I'm not for certain. I think so though. Then I used some paper. So I used the DCWV, the foil cardstock. I used all the gold. The other paper I used was this fun stamper journey called Bubblegum. And then I used this glitter cardstock from Tonic called Gold Dust. On one of my projects, I used the Sugar Cookie Christmas by Prima. And then on my other one, I used the new Prima Christmas Sparkle. Both of them are so pretty. I also used these pink pearl stickers from Michaels. I used these novelty trims. It says Simplicity Pattern Company. I'm not sure who that's by, or who made that, but I used this eyelash trim in white. Then I used some doodle twine in white from Doodlebug. And then I had got from the Target Dollar Tree spot, and I used this twine and this eyelash trim. They're so pretty. And then lastly, I used this Nouveau Glitter Accents in Fresh Snowfall. Look how that sparkles. And the very last thing I used was some foam sheets. And this was from Creatology from Michaels. And I had got it on clearance. Okay, now let me show you my projects. So this is the first one I made. And it looks like this on the front. And then you open it. And that is what it looks like. Oops. One of my little paper clips came off. Let's put that back on. So that's what it looks like. So these are actually foam hearts, and these are actually paper clips that came from the inside of that tag book. And then I used hot glue for everything, and then I did the little flags. I think it turned out so cute. Okay, so that was that one. And then I made the Santa one. And I think he turned out so darling. And then you open up this one. And it looks like this. So guys, tell me what y'all think. I had a really good time putting them together. And I think they turned out stinking cute. So there's the two. I thank y'all for watching, guys. I love you to pieces. And thank you for your prayers. I appreciate them so much. And I found out who sent me that happy mail. It was Jill Norwood. She's such a sweetheart. Thank you, Jill. I love you. Okay, hugs, guys. Bye.